Okay, so what are we making today?
Today we're making capirutada, a traditional Mexican dessert that we only serve during the Lenten season. It represents the body of Christ, and the raisins represent the nails.
You're making this up.
There's a video on this. I'm not joking. And the cheese, I think it represents the blood. I'm telling you the truth.
I've never heard it. I've never heard any of this. The cheese represents the blood.
It's cheesy blood, man. It's a simple dish. It's made with the syrup that I made earlier. And
So what's in this pot?
it's water. It's supposed to be made with piloncillo, packed brown sugar that's in a kind of a round cone shaped. But for this, I didn't have piloncillo, so I used packed dark brown sugar and cinnamon sticks.
So cinnamon sticks, cloves.
Yep.
So how would you describe the flavors?
Or like sweet savory almost.
Okay.
Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. You're supposed to let it seep for about 2 hours.
So bring to a boil, let seep for 2 hours.
Yeah.
So now you're laying them on a baking sheet?
Yeah, traditionally, you're supposed to use stale bread, but here what we're gonna do is going to butter them on one side and then toast them, let them dry out. I'm just gonna coat the top of the bread with some, a little slather of butter here. So we're buttering up the goodness onto the bread.
Most of that would be fast forwarded through dead. Alright, so bread's in for how long?
Maybe about 5 minutes, and then take the bread, flip it over, so it toasts both sides really well. Okay, so I've toasted the bolillo bread, put lightly buttered on both sides, and you can kind of tell that it's kind of
Like toast?
like toast. Yes.
I must inspect.
Gabby, you want to taste?
I can confirm. It tastes like toast.
So the idea is that you take this and you make 3 layers out of it. It's bread, raisins, cheese, and then I'd ladle over the syrup that I've strained earlier off the. I took the syrup and
Blood bag. Right?
pretty much. Okay, so I'll take a third, right? Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Okay, go the nails.
I can't wait to look it up. Because I don't feel like you're lying. I feel like you're doing what you do, which is where you're making a close approximation. It's not that you're lying, it's that you're presenting the truth as if it's fact before you've confirmed anything.
What do the raisins represent, Dad?
The nails. I don't even know if the Pope knows this stuff, man. Honestly. I better do it over here. Okay, I have to let this rest 15 minutes. Play capirutada on YouTube.
That's what I found on YouTube.
Oh man.
What did you ask it to say?
I put capirutada. I put the capital dada recipe, please. It's close.
Capital Dada.
Play Mexican foodie recipe on YouTube. Can't mess that one up. Yep. That's the one. Don't make this up. We went black and played the video, and the cheese is a shroud. not the body like we said earlier. The bread is the body.
Like you said earlier.
Hey. We're gonna let that soak just for a few more minutes, and then we're going to cover it in foil paper and let it bake for 45 minutes. All right, so we baked it for 40 minutes, covered with aluminum. That'll bring all the flavors and the melting together. And then we uncover the foil paper.
Yeah.
Let it brown on top.
Okay.
Let's see what we got. Smells great.
It's like nachos.
Yeah.
It's all that blood.
Yep. So it's still got a little bit more time.